Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quinoa in a kettle. This method is incredibly simple and perfect for anyone looking for a quick, healthy meal without much fuss. Quinoa is a fantastic, protein-rich grain that cooks up beautifully using just your electric kettle. You will be amazed at how easily you can achieve perfectly fluffy quinoa in about 15 minutes, ready to enjoy as a versatile base for many dishes. To get started, you will need just a few basic items. Grab 1 cup of dry quinoa and 2 cups of water. Of course, your electric kettle is essential for boiling the water. You will also want a fine mesh sieve for rinsing the quinoa, a heat-proof bowl to cook it in, and a fork for fluffing. These simple tools are all it takes to prepare a nutritious and delicious meal. Now, let's get to the cooking. First, measure out 1 cup of quinoa and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water using your fine mesh sieve. This step helps remove any bitterness. Next, boil 2 cups of water in your electric kettle until it reaches a rolling boil. Carefully pour the hot water over the rinsed quinoa in your heat-proof bowl. Cover the bowl tightly and let it sit undisturbed for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your quinoa should be perfectly cooked. Gently remove the cover from the bowl. You will notice that the quinoa has absorbed all the water and is plump and tender. Take a fork and fluff the quinoa lightly to separate the grains. Your delicious, fluffy quinoa is now ready to serve. Enjoy it warm as a healthy side dish, or incorporate it into your favorite salads and meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.